Hello guys, good afternoon. Hello mga ka-society. Okay. Do you see what is this? This is my battery operated wheelchair. I have my friend here who's trying to fix my wheelchair because I bought 2 new batteries after 1 year, finally. But I have a sponsor for this. My sponsor is, or are, my sister and my brother-in-law. Here, the man wearing a yellow-green shirt is my husband. Yes, he's cleaning my wheelchair. And over there is my friend. He's still trying to fix my wheelchair because it's been a year that I haven't used this, so you know there are a lot of rusts to be cleaned. One of the problem here is my control. I will show you later the control because my friend removed it and I cannot go near the control. I'm here on the table. Okay. There you are. My handsome friend. This is the control, okay? He's fixing it. Yes. Oh. You know, it's hard to have a wheelchair like this because once the batteries are not working, you know, not unless you are rich, at least you can buy batteries right away. But like me, who is only poor, so I have to wait for, you know, for some sponsors.